Since the reopening of Vegas, customers have been hit with crazy high prices from hotels and restaurants, a ton of junk fees, not to mention the poor customer service and long lines to add insult to injury. But there are still people who are able to get the money's worth and have an awesome time in Vegas. Let's find out the 5 ways these smart people fight back on the Vegas ripoffs. Gone are the days you can just show up to Vegas on a whim and expect to pay low prices. You need to be in the know, aka become a Vegas insider. Come at the right time, know what to do, where the deals are. The smartest way is to watch a bunch of YouTube videos like you're doing right now. We're here to help you navigate and find the best way to enjoy Vegas. While we're on this topic, if you get any value out of this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Now back to the topic. If there's any key takeaway of this video, is this. It is absolutely crucial for your vacation success to know your stuff, so you can choose wisely and avoid the traps. The difference between someone who has no idea about where the good stuff is versus someone in the know can equal thousands of dollars wasted and loss of opportunities to experience the best time of their life. This is probably the #1 money-saving strategy for you. Come on weekdays instead of weekends. Weekdays pricing for everything is a few times cheaper, with the exception of when there are big events in town. Hotel rooms, parking, dinners, shows, even Uber would have surge pricing on the weekends, and that's how they rip you off easily. So try to avoid coming on the weekends and you will save hundreds of dollars. There are additional benefits of coming on the weekdays. For instance, higher chance of getting free room upgrades, lots of deals to be had, and shorter or no lines at all. That means you have more time to enjoy different activities, get better customer service, and overall a nicer experience. Okay, this is where the insider knowledge would come in handy. There are ways to avoid some junk fees, and you need to learn the ways. For example, parking can be free if you have certain reward status with MGM and Caesars Entertainment. But do you know you don't always have to earn the status? Meaning you don't have to spend a ton of money to gamble or buy anything. You can just get the credit cards, and you'll be able to get all the free parking across the properties. Or if you have certain hotel reward status or credit card, you can also do status match and get the same benefits. What about resort fees? There are ways you might be able to avoid them too. Once again, certain casino reward status can waive them, but you can also try these 3 ways. First way is when you check in at the hotel, give a $20 tip to the front desk clerk. This is also known as a $20 trick. They might upgrade the room and sometimes waive the resort fees for you. The second way is to gamble at the hotel casino. At the end of the trip, you can ask the casino host to check and see if you qualify for some comps, and they might take some charges off your bill. Lastly, sometimes we run into issues with the hotel rooms, food, or services, and that's when it's an opportunity to ask for compensation for the poor experience. Oftentimes, they will offer to waive the resort fees to make it up to you. Not all casinos are created equal. Some casinos have changed the rules at the table games to give you worse odds, like 6-5 blackjack or 3-0 roulette. Smart gamblers spend time to study where they can get better payouts and only visit those places. For slot players, they can read the casino revenue reports and deduce which machines in what area might give them better chance to win. For instance, if the data shows the best payout comes from nickel, $5, and $25 denominations machines, the smart players might go hunt for those. And of course, they will get their money's worth by enjoying the free drinks and get the free play and reward points by joining the Players Club. Before I get to the last point, I'd like to share with you what happened in my last trip that showed me how us smart people can have a better time in Vegas. I have a complete stranger volunteer to pay for our $23 parking fee with his reward card at Mulberry Street Pizzeria at Resorts World that replaced the pizza slice I dropped for free. And a nice person who waived the extra day of car rental fee for us when we missed the return deadline by an hour. To me, those are the little positive things that make Vegas a better place. In my opinion, the best strategy for us to fight the cold, calculating corporate-run Vegas is to band together, be nice and kind to each other, and to support businesses that care about us as a customer so we can create good experiences together. So you guys, the smart people out there, what other ideas you have to help us fight back the ripoffs in Vegas? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for your support. Check out this video here where I share a bunch of hidden gems. Even people who have been to Vegas many times have never heard of them. I'll see you there.